Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the wiper blades of your BMW M6 and 6 series. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, what I have here is my BMW M6. And the thing is, each BMW has a different wiper blades function. What I have here is the genuine BMW windshield wipers. There is a special procedure to change the windshield wiper of your BMW M6 or 6 series. In fact, if you have BMW M5, this procedure will work for you. And the thing is, you can move this up right now. There is a special procedure how to put it into a windshield wiper replacement mode. So when I come back, I'll show you how to do it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, in order to put your BMW M6 and your BMW 6 series into the wiper blade replacement mode, first of all, you have to click the start and stop engine button once, and then check that out. Don't start the engine, okay? And then once you hear that sound, you press it one more time. And then show them, Brenna. This is the windshield wiper switch. You want to push it all the way up and then hold it. And check this out. And see that? The windshield wipers are now in the maintenance mode, where it allows you to replace the blades. Anyway, when I come back, I'll show you how to replace it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I encourage you to use the genuine BMW windshield wipers. There are two windshield wipers in this box. The first one is the 650 millimeter or the 26 inches. The 26 inches will go in the driver sides if you live in the United States. If you live in Europe, the 26 inches is gonna be on the passenger side, okay? And then the second one will be the 425 millimeter, which is the 17 inches. In the United States, the 17 inches will go in the passenger side, and then in Europe, the 17 inches will go in the driver side, okay? So anyway, let's start changing the windshield wipers. What you want to do now, you want to put this blade up, and then I like to put some kind of towel thing. As accident happen, some people accidentally bump into this, and then this whole thing will like bam and crack the windshield, and it's gonna cost you thousands of dollars to replace. You don't want that, okay? What you want to do, come here, Brenna. My daughter is here to help me. You want to move it this way, and then you press with two fingers forward like that. See that? It's very easy. There is no science to it. Move this thing up, and then get your two fingers and push it this way. So now it's off. See that? And there is no science to it. Now, what you want to do, you want to get the longest one, the 26 inch. Okay, let's see, I almost bumped it. This is why you have to be really careful when you change the windshield wipers. So there you go. Now this is the, do you see that? You can measure it too. So this is the 26 inch right here. So yeah, do you see that? That's the old one, and this is the new one. And the thing is, it is really important to change the windshield wipers, especially after 1 year you have to do it, because you want to be able to clean your windshield nicely when it rains, so you won't have any like streak that will create dangerous driving situation. So anyway, in order to change it, it's really easy. You just do the same thing. Show them. Just do it like this, and then push the new one in, and then push it back on. And then don't forget to put this down after you're done. There you go. Now let's put the old one aside, and we're gonna do the same thing with the passenger side, like that. And I just like to put some kind of towel here as a warranty because you don't want to make a mistake and bam and hit your windshield wiper. So the same thing, you do it like that. Get your two fingers, slide it toward you. See that? Toward you. Now it's off. So I'll just put it here. Actually, I'm gonna put it here to block it from going down. So we're gonna get the passenger side, which is smaller, 17-inch. So we're gonna do the same thing, and then we put it in the hole like that, and then voila. And then you put it slowly and you're done. Okay, it's not quite done yet. What you want to do next is you want to put the windshield wipers into a normal mode. Let's do that right now. What you want to do now is you want to press the button once, again the start and stop button once, and then you press the windshield wiper button here down. There you go. Now everything is back. So anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. So it's really easy to do it. These are the windshield wiper parts. Right here, the 6161-22-09047. Don't worry about it. I will put the Amazon link below, and it will make your life easier when you get the BMW genuine windshield wipers. You don't have to figure out which adapter to use. You just plug it out, plug it back in, and it's done. Anyway, make sure if you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and like this video, and love you guys. Bye.